class family now.
But you are here, no?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Why? How? I face many problems. That's why I'm here.
When you will face problem, it will be a great opportunity for you. Like it increase your mental
उसका क्या
status.
जो हम face कर रहे हैं
Because they go through that stage also.
Yeah, but facing many problems in here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because they face problem and they become mentally strong.
I'm not appreciating.
Okay, you are talking about how can you improve your status with the help of money.
Money is too important in our life because without money
If you
we
have
can't
not-
sit, we can't talk.
We also know that point, no?
I
We
am-
have to
I
put
am-
our points.
Yeah, I am favor of money. I just say you, I can't deny mine is not important.
But if we have money, we can change our outfit. But if we don't have mind, we can't change our outfit. Okay. The personality we look, the personality, the outfit, everything is changed by money. But if we have mind, then only we can change, na. Then-
So, if you don't mind, would you please give me the example by
Personality is not everything.
mind is more important.
Personality is not everything. If you don't have mind, then how can
if we have cloth and so many things to wear, but if we don't know how to wear it,
Yes,
we
that's the point.
we wear the shirt in the leg and the pant in the hand.
Yeah, the question is very, very good. If you don't have sense, so how would you wear? If you have all the things.
If you have mind, you in community, in society. If you have mind, you can't have a personality. If you have money, you have the personality in the society, in a
How can
standard.
you
In a
say?
standard.
You have a money. Okay.
So first of all, you
You don't have mind, you're going to your society won't accept it, you are
With money, everyone accepts in the world. Everyone accepts with money.
But first,
Yes, my dear, I am
wait a minute, ma'am.
I am
Wait a
keeping
minute,
an important
wait a
point.
minute, sir. Wait a minute, sir. Just to listen to me. Your question is very big. This is very polite since you are asking to me. Just I am described that, sir, you are saying that very married and unmarried girl, boys and girls who wants the money, and it is the part of our socialism. Don't ask scientists or who achieve the goals. Only talk in your life.
Okay,
I just complete my sentence. When you
But
just
you jump in between
just
us.
complete my sentence, sir. Then I just listen to your question.
give us chance also.
Okay, I just say you, many girls and boys are running in our society. Many girls want money. Many boys are want girls. You are saying that you are an educated person, and you are saying if you have not earning money, you didn't have any a good personality girl. And you also want a girl is a well-educated person. A girl is mentally and the whole dress up. And it depends on which it depends on money.
You said mentally.
Okay.
you have only mind, you have only money.
First of all, sir.
You can't use your
First of all,
mind.
So excuse me, ma'am.
I'm not your
Without mind,
I just
you
said,
Excuse me, ma'am.
just a minute. Just a minute.
Sir, I want to keep a special fact, sir, about money. Sir, you know
Give us
that
chance also, Meenakshi.
in our
To
UP,
speak. Give us
corruption
chance also to
society is
speak.
going on. Suppose that if you have lots of money, you have lots of mind. But if you don't have money, when vacancies come, and also our minister is corrupted, because when they come for the sake of collecting vote, we take to them money, and after being an minister, we take also money for the sake of selecting in any job. If we have money, currently we can pay near about 10 lakh, 20 lakh according to wages, according to post. We can purchase. Also, I can say with confidence, only we purchase. No, we qualified for that job. We can purchase any job, and also by being an officer, we can got married as a very good girl.
In my opinion, mind is more important than money, because if we have mind, then only we can use money. Otherwise, money is wasted.
Winning money is
Okay, sir. What about your opinion?
My opinion is mind is you have a mind, you get a lot of opportunity and everything, but you don't have a mind, you can't buy anything. You have lot of money but you don't have mind. How to come you American? कैसे आप अमेरिकन आओगे?
Okay, sir. Sir, what about your opinion?
Sir, money is more important than money. Just with the help of money, we can buy only expensive or bad things which we need to afford. But with the help of mind, we know how to be happy.
How to utilize this?
Like how to utilize this. With the help of mind, we also live happy. Like in the sense we are sad. Money can't help to move from there. It's only mind and memories which can help us to come out.
By the money we can purchase the thing, but we cannot just okay, the thing is good or not.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I want to give one example. Ranu Mandal, she got overnight fame, and she gained a lot of money, and she had not mind, and she lost all her money, and she at the position where she was 3 or 4 years back.
Okay, good.
So as per my opinion, money can't buy happiness. For example, as you know, lots of rich people and celebrities commit suicide because they are not stable from mind. They have money, they are very rich, but they are not happy
And from
their mind. They are not stable. So money can't buy happiness. Only mind can buy happiness. As per mind.
money
If we have mind, we can earn we can earn money and invest it in a proper way. If we have mind, then only we can invest in a proper way and time.
Money. Yes, money, because mind people, they have just told about them topic. So what about your opinion in 30 seconds, in a glance, how would you like to express this?
So I have one question and one answer to Mr. Parvez. That he said,
Sir, there is no time for the question and answer. You want to just give your view only.
sir,
After that you can ask.
Sir, he said the opportunity we get. If we have mind, we get opportunity.
Yes.
So if we have money, we can sit and eat the whole life. And we can, if we have money, we can sit and don't need any opportunity for whole life. And I can. Why do we study? Why do we study and why we are studying for job, for money only?
So money comes by
Yes,
birth.
sir. You know that gone are that is show up when the person was mercy, but at this time the mercy is died. Suppose that if you have 2 or 4 daughters and you want to get married of your daughter, if you have no money, nobody will marry to your daughter, because nobody will accept without marry your daughter. And also a father got suicide, and also it is going on in social. We can't ignore to them. I accept that 10% people is very important. They are very good, and they against in the dowry system. But 19%, more than 90% people without accepting dowry, they can't get married.
But
That's why money is very important.
But they have not mind. That's why they accept
They
it.
have mind, they don't have money.
So I just tell you one thing, I'm not giving you any type of example. I just relate in my life, in our life. We are a student, we are here, and what we have, nothing. We are a student, we are a tag of a student. And who gives us opportunity? Money. If we have money, we get study. If we have money, we gone for abroad for study. And I can't deny, sir. I can't deny mind is not important. Mind is important. You are saying many mads, they have little mind, but they have no money. All the person is hate this man. And also, if I have no money, I have no idea how to wear, how to maintain myself, then my all friends, my all classmates are hated me. He does not talk to me. I can't deny mind is not important. Mind is important, but after money is too important than mind. This is my opinion.